So a very big thank you to the team for very kindly sending out to us this smart projector to try out. Now in the box you get everything you need to get started. You get the projector itself as well as the instructions and a really handy remote as well, and all the cables too. Now the projector does run on Android, but it is fully compatible with Apple iPhone as well as your Android device as well. It does come with a free app which you can download via the QR code and the ability to use up to 10,000 apps with this projector. It's super smart. When you're watching your movies, TV or music, it does have built-in speakers as well. It is up to 80 decibels, but if you want a bit more, you can hook it up to external speakers or soundbar via Bluetooth. You can use this indoors or out. Outdoors you would need a nice clear wall or a projector screen, and indoors just a nice clear screen will do. And when you are using it, does have an autofocus on there. It also has a tilted hinge there just to make sure you can get the right angle as well, so you can really enjoy what you're watching. So if you're looking for a really great home cinema experience, maybe you want to do some lovely summer nights in the garden watching movies as a family, maybe you want to play your games and broadcast it on that bigger screen, this is going to be absolutely perfect. Thank you so much again for the team for very kindly sending it out to us. We really do appreciate it.